Here at Greenprint, we believe it's vital for our generation to be concerned with sustainability. We are facing an increasing number of challenges associated with global warming, and additionally, we are running out of space due to a continuously growing population. We wanted to find a solution to these problems by updating existing buildings to meet modern standards, maximising their energy efficiency in a sustainable and eco-friendly way. Greenprint is a cooperative organisation. We aim to increase standards of living within lower income and social housing and ultimately increase the quality of life. Cooperatives are based on values of self-help, self-responsibility, democracy, equality, equity and solidarity. These values are nurtured at Greenprint through collaborative workflow and transparent systems of communication. Although we are a cooperative, smaller day-to-day decisions around projects can still be treated under a hierarchical structure to ensure the workflow is maintained at a speed that keeps the costs low for the client. My name is Freya. I work as the lead architect for Greenprint. I lead design projects for public and private buildings. My duties include meeting with clients to discuss budgeting, structural specifications and contracts. I also work with my team of architectural, engineering and construction professionals, along with other industry professionals, to draw up building plans, incorporate systems for electricity, climate control, plumbing, ventilation and communications.
My name is Brad and I work as the other architect in the company. My day-to-day tasks in the office, working alongside Freya, I create the drawings necessary, visualising them for the clients.
My name's Riley and I work as an environmental ambassador at Greenprint. It is my role in the company to research and apply the most ethical and environmentally sound products to each given project. I work in all areas of the company to help achieve our goal of the Passive House standard. I'll work with our surveyors and engineers to map out the environmental characteristics and infrastructure around a given site, then with our researchers to find the best products and services available as locally as possible, and then finally with our architects and designers to make sure all of their designs are following the best environmental solutions possible. I do this because of my growing concern for the planet after seeing the effects we've had firsthand through my passion for the ocean and its surrounding environments.
I'm Rebecca, who works as the company's researcher. My role requires me to look into the world of new and innovative designs which can be applied to our projects. It is key to find and integrate local businesses when possible. By doing so, it builds local economy and is more environmental, as it minimises pollution and carbon emissions. Once I find products which I believe are suitable for the project, I then work alongside the environmental ambassador and the surveyor to see whether or not these products are suitable for the project and whether or not they will be appropriate for the site.
I'm Zach, a surveyor and architectural engineer at Greenprint. At the start of a project, I focus on site-specific environmental, social and economic impacts of the proposal. As we move into the design stages of a project, I advise on things such as health and safety, feasibility, material choices and planning regulations, ensuring that the project can adhere to the Greenprint philosophies on sustainability, social impact and affordability. As an architectural engineer, I advise on the structural feasibility and efficient integration of technological systems, ensuring that they meet both legal regulations and the standards of our practice. As we find contractors and suppliers for the project, I'll fall into a quality assurance role that ensures our material selections are up to standard and ensure that the companies we work with are aligned with our own values.
As a company, we work towards spreading the Passive House standard, maintaining and retrofitting properties. We work with the clients in order to improve social housing through finding the best solutions in the systems in existing properties. Along with our partners, which consists of material suppliers, fabricators, local councils, local craftsmen, local contractors, environmental experts, tech companies, and external researchers, we focus on the site, roof, foundations, plumbing, heating and electrical systems, asbestos stripping, and waste handling. We aim to keep the process as ethical and environmental to each project.
As a cooperative, our practice has an emphasis on equity and equality. As such, we work within strict wage equality, ensuring no individual is underpaid. The cooperative structure also ensures that any issues that arise around pay equality can be discussed in a democratic and transparent way. Benefits at Greenprint include covering costs of employee counselling or therapy to emphasise mental well-being, and we also offer our employees gym memberships to promote physical health. Maternity and paternity plans are above legal requirements, ensuring that employees can nurture a healthy work-life balance. A profit-sharing scheme and donations to charities local to projects we undertake encourage social consciousness. Life and health insurance, as well as a good retirement plan, will generate commitment to the company as well as providing security for employees in unforeseen circumstances.
Here is an existing residential property that we've refurbished recently. We noticed that from the data we collected on the gas and electricity meter usage, that we could make this property much healthier and more efficient for our clients. We did this by adding and upgrading parts of the house that could provide an overall better value. To name a few, we've added solar thermal collectors, rainwater harvesting, new ventilation in the existing facades, and many more. Then, after all the systems were implemented, we found a massive decrease in the usage of both gas and electricity usage by a client, which provided the family with long-term savings and a healthier home for the client's family.
Our ambition is to expand nationally, but keep our site-centric philosophies in place. Each hub of Greenprint would operate independently, however the expansion would allow hubs to combine and tackle larger and more ambitious projects. Collaborative work would stay key within the ethos, and with a greater pool of knowledge and talents, our projects could develop in unique and unforeseen ways. Nationwide company decisions would be made in a democratic manner, maintaining a cooperative ethos and allowing everyone to have a say in the development of our practice.
We are Greenprint. Thank you for listening.